Does laser therapy really work for weight loss? Laser Lipo delivers laser energy directly to the fat cells beneath your skin. This laser energy heats and liquefies the fat cells, making them easier to remove. The results of laser lipo are considered permanent, and the entire treatment process is safe, comfortable, and non-invasive. However, the weight loss effects by laser pads are different because of different laser lipo energies. There are two types of laser light panels on the market: 650 nanometers 5 MW and 650 nanometers 160 MW. The 5 MW laser lipo should be used with cavitation to get results, while the 160 MW laser lipo can achieve effective weight loss results when used alone. This one is a 160 MW high-energy laser lipo machine, equipped with an extra-large screen and detailed parameter settings. A great choice for use in beauty salons.